Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have the iPhone 11. What I'm going to do right now for the iPhone 11 is show you how to install the SIM. And of course this is for switching out a SIM card, or of course in case you're wondering which SIM to use in your device. This tutorial will basically run you through all those and more. Alright, so let's get straight into it. As you can see here guys, this is the iPhone 11. We'll also apply for the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Max. First thing you need to do guys is to locate the SIM tray. Now the SIM tray can be found on the right side, and of course you'll see it right here. There's also a pinhole. For the pinhole, all you gotta do is just get the included SIM tool that came with your device. Let me just show you that SIM tool. In the side of your package you'll find this. Of course right inside of here you'll see the SIM tool right here. Now once you find your SIM tool, just go ahead and pinch up and remove the SIM tool. Alright, next thing you gotta do guys is you're gonna make sure you have a SIM card. I have a SIM card here. For your particular device it should be a nano SIM card. Most SIM cards will come with the various adjustments. In other words, this is one of the very small ones. So what I'm going to do here is just remove this particular SIM card from its cradle. It has a height adjustment right here, but of course I'm not interested in the height adjustment. I could just slip this back in and get one of the larger sizes, but it's the very small nano size. If I'm not mistaken, this should be one of the smallest sizes you can actually get. Yours should be a little bit different. It doesn't matter as long as it's the correct size. All right, so we're gonna put this over here. Here I have my SIM. I have my ejection tool. What I'm gonna do next guys is I'm gonna go back again. The device can be powered off. It can also be left on. It's yours choice. So for now I'm just gonna leave it on. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna eject the SIM tray. Just go ahead and apply decent amount of pressure. Do not force it. Push all the way down. With just relative amount of pressure it will pop right up. And as you can see here, the SIM tray came up as a result of placing it right in here, which is that small hole that you can see here, and pressing down. Once you do that, the tray will come out. Just carefully remove it. And as you can see here, this is the SIM tray. I'm going to put my phone aside for a while. Now look at this guys. You're going to look at the SIM tray. Alright, so just to show you, I'll put a contrasting background. And as you can see right here guys, there is a notch. Let me try to show you this notch. Here we go. And the notch here indicates the direction to place your SIM card. Let me show you what I mean. Here too, you'll see on the SIM a notch at one end, meaning it can be placed in this way. If I place it in another way, like this, it will not go in. So simply look for the edge with the notch that aligns. Then just go ahead and slide this in. There you go. It will slide right in. The notch alignment will only allow it to be entered this way and no other way. So that's about it. Next, I'm going to get back the iPhone. Remember the section with the hole points down. As you can see here, this section has the hole will point down, and I'm just going to go ahead and shove this all the way in. It should sit flush. Give the phone some time. If the phone was off, go ahead and turn it on. If not, you should see, of course, it's connected. And as you can see there, it says LTE. And it does indicate that my device has detected the SIM card. So that's how to install the SIM card inside of a phone. And there you go. Already I'm getting notifications indicating that it has detected my card. You can go ahead also and try to make phone calls and so on. Just one final check. You can go ahead and check on your network or try to browse. As you can see here, I know mine is connected as it does say LTE. Alright, so that should about do it for this. And of course, if you have any more questions, you can ask them below. And that is it on how to install your nano SIM inside of your smartphone. In this case, the iPhone 11. Alright guys, we gotta go and say bye until next time. Bye.